Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your Oladance OWS Pro available on Android devices? So, firstly, I open App Store and trying to find it. And as you can see, there is no Oladance application here. Then I went to the official website and trying to install it from there, and I have a link on the Google Play, so if I tap on it, there is nothing. So it's not available on my region. But I already installed this application, and if we open it, we could see that it's available for Android devices, but you should install APK, and let me show it to you. I'm installed from this website. And if you wanna know how, just watch our another video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.